In the age of powerful handheld, cordless, and robotic vacuums, do you still use your basic broom and dustpan? Well, I still do. That's because my basic broom and dustpan help me build my cleaning habits. They're inexpensive, they promote physical activity, and in some cases, they pick up dirt that my vacuum can't or shouldn't. Hi, welcome to The Cleaning Habit. I'm Michelle, and today I'm going to show you an efficient way to sweep your floors. Let's build our cleaning habits together. If you'd like to learn more cleaning tips, subscribe to our channel or hit the notification bell so you'll know when we have new videos for you. Get a good quality broom with dense bristles and slightly angled ends to reach into corners. Break the room into 2 to 4 parts depending on how big the space is. The idea is to deal with dirt and sweep it into the dustpan within that space right away, rather than pushing the dirt towards the entrance or towards the corner. Choose a dustpan with a molded rubber outer lip to capture dust and prevent it from being swept underneath. Dustpans with a comb are also a great choice because these let you get rid of hair and debris in the broom bristles. For the trail of dust or dirt that's hard to sweep into the dustpan, you can clean with a damp mop or a damp microfiber cloth. Basic tools like our broom and dustpan can still help us keep our homes clean, as long as we use them the right way. For more cleaning tips, subscribe to our channel, follow us on our Facebook page, our Instagram, or visit our website at www.thecleaninghabit.com. Happy cleaning!